వీడియో చూసి లైక్ చేయండి. నేను చేసిన వీడియోస్ అన్నీ మీకు రావాలంటే ఛానల్ ఖచ్చితంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియో మీకు యూజ్ఫుల్గా అనిపిస్తే మీకు తెలిసిన వారికి షేర్ చేయండి.
Absence. Noun. The fact of somebody being away from a place where they are usually expected to be. The occasion or period of time when somebody is away. Example sentences. The decision was made in my absence. Here absence means
While I was not there.
we did not receive any news during his long absence. Absence from work. Repeated absence from school. The fact of somebody something not existing or not being available. A lack of something. The case was dismissed in the absence of any definite proof. The absence of any woman on the board of directors.